Hey, VisionAutoworks here with a Honda S2000 AP1 headlight package finished up today. This is our performance and style package where this customer sent in an OEM set of AP1 headlights, and we improved the projector output by doing a clear lens swap and tuning on the factory projector here. And then with our styling options, this customer did choose to have a lot of cosmetic modifications added to these lights. So first, you'll notice the lenses have been etched. We did our VisionAutoworks hexagon etching free of charge for him in the low beam spot. He also added the dummy quad or faux quad add-on option. So there is a projector, dummy projector there mounted in the high beam bowl with a mini Gatling gun shroud, and the lenses have also been etched with the honeycomb pattern or hexagon pattern. He also got the JDM style clear corners, so the amber turn signal area has been swapped out for the JDM style clear corner type. And then finally, we painted all of the internals, the main bezel and the mini Gatling gun shroud, an OEM paint matched color. We do offer OEM paint match service if you want specific colors. This is a Ford color, which his car is also painted. I believe it's called Avalanche Grey. So it makes for a really uniform look that will match his car's custom paint. We also added 2 sets of Diode Dynamics demon eyes, so both of these projectors have demon eye equipped inside. We're going to cut them on just to give you an idea what it looks like. Right now it's set on a green color, and of course you guys have seen our videos before using this product. The Diode Dynamics demon eyes are definitely great demon eyes, extremely bright as you can see here, and they do offer a full, actually a white output. That's not a mix of colors, it's actually a true white, which is really nice. So here's the true white color, and then we're going to go kind of just cycle through some of these primary colors, red, green, and blue. And of course you have all the color choices in between, and many different modes you can choose from. This is just a 7-color crossfade, which we show all the time, cycling through the colors here. And we're going to cut on the HID system just to give you an idea what the lights look like with the HID system on. Now he's going to be reusing all his OEM ballast and whatnot, so we have our test Denso ballast here. We're going to kind of knock down the exposure a little bit here, just to kind of blown out. And there you go. Pretty custom build here. A lot of paint work involved on this build, and just some cosmetic additions to customize this to his build. Really is going to match his car's custom paint, and overall it's going to be a really nice looking setup. So you can order a package like this on our website, VisionAutoworks.com. We have a headlight package specific for the Honda S2000 AP1 and AP2, where you can customize them the way you would like. If you have any other questions, you can reach us by email or phone. Our contact information is on the website.